So I know on the last class we only looked at like -6 with completing the square. Now we're going to add in some different numbers, and then we're going to combine it with previous stuff that we have done. But first, let's just focus on the first part of setting it up. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to get the number without an x, so the plus 12, to the other side. Okay, and so then I get x squared plus 10x. I subtracted 12 from both sides. Boom. Plus blank equals -12 plus something. Okay, so now what I'm going to do really quickly is I'm going to draw my algebra tiles. So I drew my square here. Boom. Now I want to stay with this vertical side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, remember, I want these lines to stay with the line it's building off of. So then I go here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Boom. Now I just go 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X squared, x. Okay. And so I see this is 25. Okay, if I counted those squares. And so then I notice this is 5 across. This is x. This is x, and that is 5. And so I can say that is x plus 5 times x plus 5 equals, remember I have to add that 25 there. 25 minus -12 is 13. And then I get x plus 5 squared. 13. Okay, cool. And so that's my first step of completing the square. Okay, is to get it in to this portion. Okay.